Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I replaced the tank on my pure H2O reverse osmosis system that I originally bought at Costco. I want to say first that this is from a homeowner's perspective. I'm not a plumber or a professional technician. I'm just sharing my personal experience with this product and how I installed it. The reason I decided to change the tank was because I started getting very low water pressure. I even tried using a bicycle pump to repressurize the old tank, but the pressure didn't last, so I decided to go ahead and buy a replacement. By the way, I'll leave an Amazon link in the description and in the first comment for the exact tank I purchased. It's been working really well so far. Just so you know, I do earn a small commission if you use the link. Thank you. The package only came with the tank and this valve, which I didn't use because it didn't fit my model. For this project, you're going to need three things: a 13/16" wrench, some Teflon tape, and a bucket. The first thing you want to do is go outside and shut off the main water valve. Second, turn on the faucet to release the pressure and drain the remaining water. Then I also recommend opening this valve to help drain the system completely. Once the water has drained, place a bucket under here and remove this hose. To do that, push the little ring in, hold it, and pull the hose out. Let the water drain into the bucket to avoid any spills. After that, pull the old tank out of the cabinet and place it in front of you. Using the wrench, remove the white nut. Now take the new tank and place it upright. On the threaded nozzle, apply Teflon tape clockwise, about 4 wraps. Next, thread the nut on and tighten it clockwise with your wrench. I can't tell you the exact tightness, but made sure the hose was sitting straight and vertical considering the position that I'm going to place it on the stand. Then, remove the old tank stand, place the new one in, and set the new tank on top of it. Now grab the hose and push it back into the fitting on the filter system. After that, go outside and turn the main water valve back on and let the tank fill. After a few minutes, I tested the water and the pressure was still a little low. I did this installation at about 8 p.m., went to bed, and the next morning, wow, the pressure was really good. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.